How to play Terraria Mobile multiple mode. For this, go ahead and launch a game either in your mobile application or your PC. Then you have to select the option of multiplayer displayed on the screen. Just go ahead and tap on multiplayer. So first step is to go ahead and make a character to join the Terraria. Once you have created your character, now to join, go ahead and tap on the join option. You can go ahead and select the option of local. Once you tap on it, it will search for some of the local hosts and you can easily go ahead and join them. At the side, you will see the host button. You can also go ahead and host your own game, in which you can also invite your friends, or you can even make it public for other people to join the game. If you tap on the online option, you will have to add the server IP and server port. This is to add a server that you want to join in your Terraria mobile game. If this feature is not available for you, make sure that your Terraria mobile is up to date. For that, open your App Store or your Play Store, then search for Terraria mobile application and check for an update. Also check that your mobile supports the game as well. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.